In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a quick refresher, this simple guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can easily transfer text from one email to another or to a different document entirely. First, let's get started by navigating to your Gmail inbox, open up your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you are in your inbox, you'll need to locate the email that contains the text you want to copy. Click on that email to open it. You'll notice that the email opens up in a new pane, allowing you to view its contents. This is where you'll perform the next step. Now that your email is open, the next thing you need to do is highlight the text that you wish to copy. Move your cursor to the beginning of the text, then click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the cursor over the text to highlight it. You'll see the text light up, typically in blue, which indicates it's selected. Release the mouse button once you've selected all the text you need. Remember, you can always click and drag again if you need to adjust your selection. With the text highlighted, it's time to copy it. You have a couple of options here. You can right click on the highlighted text and select copy from the context menu that appears, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Either method will place the highlighted text onto your clipboard, making it ready to paste. The next step involves opening a new email where you want to paste the copied text. So go ahead and click on the Compose button, typically found in the upper left corner of the Gmail interface. This will bring up a new email window where you can begin preparing your draft. Once you have your new email draft open, click into the body of the email, which is the blank space where you'll write your message. Make sure you place your cursor exactly where you want the copied text to appear. When ready, you can paste the text by right-clicking and selecting Paste from the menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. And just like that, your copied text should appear in the email body. Feel free to edit the content if necessary to fit the context of your new email. After you've pasted and adjusted your text, continue by adding the recipient's email address and any other information required before sending your message. That's all there is to it. This straightforward process should make your email management more efficient, whether you're consolidating information or forwarding bits of text to others. With these skills in hand, you'll find handling text in Gmail a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.